What is up, everyone? Today I'm unboxing one of the best smartphone gimbals on the market called the Hohem iSteady M6 with the AI sensor. So this was originally $209 and I got it at a discount for $170. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Here you go. It's a USB cord with a coil. Looks really cool. Type-C to Lightning port. And here it is. The actual gimbal itself. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit. Looks really cool. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. I'll take the plastic off. It's always fun to do this. Here we go. Comes in a really nice box. Comes in a really nice case. Wow. Oh yeah. This is a really good case. It's sturdy. It's like a plastic rubber right here. And mesh on the bottom. It's very soft material. You could just slip this in your backpack and you're good to go. Pretty cool. You have a QR code right here. Download the Hohem Joy app. I like the rainbow colors that illuminate when you shine on the box. It's very cool. You can carry it just like this. That's pretty cool. And here is inside the case. Very nice fabric, very, very soft, professional feeling on the inside. Here is, ooh, this is very sturdy, the tripod clamp. This is very heavy duty. You hear that? This is high quality. This is, if that's plastic, it's very high quality plastic. The Hohem charging cable. And here is the gimbal itself. Oh yeah, this is sturdy material. This feels very good in the hand. I like it already. If it's plastic, it's definitely rugged. So it has like adjusters over here that you can adjust to your phone like that. I can link some more videos to get a better description. There's a video out there that describes all of this in detail. You have a AI sensor right here. So you could put this on and this will just go ahead and detect your subject moving even if you're not using the app. And wow. This is just super, super high quality. It just snaps on there magnetically. Very sturdy gimbal. Yeah. Let's go ahead and turn it on real quick. Look at the screen light up. Whoa. Sounds high quality. So you have to unlock. Now this is my first time ever using this, so I guess maybe the unlock is here. I'll definitely dive into it in a proper review maybe that'll do it. Maybe that'll do it. Or maybe it's... Oh, okay, it's this right here. Now it's unlocked. Huh. I can't wait to play around with this. That was literally my first time ever turning this gimbal on. But, yeah, I can't wait to play around with this gimbal. So stay tuned for the full review coming up shortly. I'll be testing this outdoors and using the AI sensor and much more. And I look forward to using this on my journeys. I'm going to be pairing this right here with my Freewell ND filters. And I don't have the case over here at the moment, but with its case and everything, I got the case to go with it. And yeah, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Here's the Hohem iSteady M6 kit unboxing video. See you next time.